Guys, what's up? This is Anindita and today I'm going to talk about all the aloe vera gels which I use. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching. Guys, the price range of all these aloe vera gel will fall within rupees 90 to rupees 450. So according to your budget, you can choose anyone. This is the first aloe vera gel. This is Parachute aloe vera gel, which is having coconut water in it, which makes it really very special because coconut water is very good for our skin. This aloe vera gel is very soothing for our skin, and this is a body gel. It is written over here, don't use it on your face. This is a body gel and I really like it. Now the next one is St. Evans aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel is really nice. The fragrance of this aloe vera gel is to die for. Whenever I come from washroom, at times I use this aloe vera gel all over my body and I feel so refreshed. So this is the next aloe vera gel which I use. This is Face Shop ka 99% Jeju aloe vera gel. I think this aloe vera gel doesn't need any introduction. I think this is the most priciest aloe vera gel which I own in my vanity. This is also very good. It soothes your skin, it treats your sunburn, but you have to use it consistently, and definitely is very good for dry skin also. You can understand I have lots to show. Now this one is Biotique's aloe vera gel, and this is made for actually babies. Now the thing is that I didn't see it that it is meant for babies, means 6 years onwards anyone can use it. So I haven't noticed that, and I bought this aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel, I'm going to show you something. This is how it looks. Meant for babies, means it is really safe for our skin also. It is very liquidy, but the thing is that I really don't like the smell of this Biotique's aloe vera gel, but I have bought it, so I have to use it. I use it on my hands and legs, at times on my face. Yes, one thing is there, it is very moisturizing. Now the next aloe vera gel is this one. I have used a lot, you can see. Now this particular aloe vera gel, this is Khadi's Rose and aloe vera gel. I have reviewed it separately, this one, and this is Khadi's Herbal Mint and aloe vera gel. I have reviewed it also. Together you can just get the review. I'll do one job, I'll put the link up there. If you wish to know more, you can just have a look. By the way, I'm just telling you the fragrance is amazing, and this is how it looks like. The color is also very eye-catching. Now this is the next aloe vera gel. This is Indus Valley's Bio Organic Reborn Hair Gel. This hair gel is something that you must have, guys. This is not only a hair gel, it's I can say this is the food for our hair actually. It is having bringraj and walnut oil. Definitely one day separately I'm going to review this product, and if you are following me on my Instagram, you have seen me posting a lot of things about this Indus Valley products, and what I do, I just put it on my scalp. If I have time, I keep it overnight, and the next morning I just wash it with my normal shampoo. You can do that, and if you don't have time, just put it on your hair for at least 10 minutes. Then you can use this hair spa cap. I have shown this earlier also in my hair spa videos. This is a cap. I will just put the link down there. If you want to just check it out, you can check it out. Then after 10-15 minutes, just put it on your hair little bit, and according to the capacity, you can just bear the heat. Set that, there's a button actually, you can just set the heat according to this, and then after 5 minutes just wash it off. Within 30 minutes your hair will be just just okay and done, and it will be looking very gorgeous, beautiful. I must tell you that I am really rushing with this video actually. And this is the Aroma Treasures aloe vera gel. It can be used on your hair and on your face. Everything is very nice about it. Soothing, moisturizing, and it is very good when you apply it on your dry skin also. It is, I have told you, moisturizing. Now the thing is that I don't like the smell of this product particularly. I am just mentioning everything, the pros and the cons, what I like, what I don't like actually. And this is Lakme ka 9 to 5 natural aloe aqua gel. This is very, I really like this product, guys. Some people say that when they apply it on their skin, they feel that it is burning. They feel that burning sensation, but when I use it, I never felt like this. I really like this product a lot. I like most of the Lakme products, I can tell you that. Sorry, everything is falling down. Now this is Urban Botanics Aloe Vera Gel. This is also 99% pure aloe vera gel. I have reviewed it separately also. I will do one job, guys. I will put the skincare list up somewhere in the video. Do check it out if you want to know more about all these products. And this is Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel, and this also needs no introduction, guys. As you can see, I have finished almost. The tube is almost finished, as you can see, and yes, I love this aloe vera gel, as you can use this again on your hair and on your skin. I use this product in lot of my DIYs. There is one more product which I really have finished it. This is Khadi Naturals Aloe Vera Gel. You can see the dabba is almost empty, so I use this also in lot of my DIYs, and this is also something which is really very good. It comes with licorice and cucumber extract. So this is how it looks like. And the last but not the least is this Wow's Aloe Vera Gel. This is, one of my favorite aloe vera gel. This is also 99% pure aloe vera gel. You can use it on your skin as well as on your hair. It soothes your skin so nicely. It moisturizes your skin. I use it in lots and lots of my DIYs. Even I use it, you will laugh at me, but at night times my skin is very dry, so at times I use Borolin or Boro Plus. So I just mix little bit of Boro Plus or Borolin with this aloe vera gel and use it on my face. When in the morning time I get up, I really feel fresh, and the best part of it is my skin feels very moisturized. So guys, this was all about my aloe vera gel haul. If you have liked it, then drop a like and do subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. And until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed, tata, take care, bye bye.